Hello, guys. Today we're gonna be talking about viruses. I think you must have heard of coronavirus. So, viruses are very interesting. They're made up of a protein coat and a genetic material inside. The genetic material could be RNA or DNA. The protein coat is called capsid. The viruses are considered non living by most scientists, and there's a very strong reason behind. It does not behave like any other living organisms. It does not have any cells, organelles, membranes, or any other structure that a living organism possesses. It does not have any metabolic processes. It only has metabolic processes when it is inside a host. Alone, it does not have any metabolic processes. It does not grow in size like any other living organisms. It also does not reproduce when it's alone. It only reproduces when it's inside a host. Let's talk about how viruses behave outside a host and when it's inside a host. Outside a host, it just behaves like a non-living, dead protein, or a DNA, or any macromolecule. But when it's inside the host, it acts living. It replicates itself. Its genetic material can be passed down in the host from the parent to the daughter cell. It causes immense harm to the host. And the reason why it causes immense harm to the cells or the host is because it uses the metabolism, it uses up all the energy of the host to reproduce itself, to produce viral DNA, viral protein. All of the resources of the host are being put to use for the use benefit of virus. Let's talk about its structure. So, it's made up of the capsid. Capsid is the outer layer, and it is made up of one or more repeating protein units. It kind of looks like this orange structure. What it does essentially is that it protects the nucleic acid inside. Now let's jump into the nucleic acid. So the nucleic acid present inside the viruses could be of different types. So different viruses could have different types of nucleic acids. Some viruses have DNA, some viruses have RNA, some viruses have linear genetic material, which is in a straight line. Some viruses have circular, where it kind of looks like a plasmid. And the third or optional structural unit is lipid envelope. So this lipid envelope essentially covers the capsid in some viruses. What it does, it allows the viruses free movement. It allows the viruses to enter and leave the host cell without harming the cell membrane. If the lipid envelope is not present, when the virus leaves the cell of a host, it ends up bursting the cell membrane and killing the host cell. Let's talk about shape. Viruses come in all kinds of different shapes. Here's some examples. Ebola virus can look like a straight line or a snake. Adenovirus has 7 faces. The retrovirus and the influenza virus are spherical in nature. And then there are more complex structure of viruses, such as bacteriophage, which has a head, a tail, and a body. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. please comment down anything that you found helpful or you want me to include in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.